Nature hides creatures so bizarre, so unbelievable that they seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. From animals with see-through skin to creatures that can regrow entire limbs, some of these will blow your mind. This is Beyond Beams, and today we're counting down the top 10 animals you won't believe exist. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the axolotl. This little amphibian looks like it's permanently smiling, but what really makes it special is its superpower. It can regenerate entire limbs. Unlike most salamanders, the axolotl never grows up in the traditional sense. It stays in its larval form for life, meaning it keeps its gills and never transforms into a land dweller. Scientists are fascinated by its ability to heal wounds without scarring, and some even believe this adorable creature could hold the key to human limb regeneration. A real-life Pokemon or the future of medical science? You decide. At number 9, we have the pink fairy armadillo. This tiny, elusive creature looks like something out of a fantasy world, with its pink armor-like shell and soft, furry underside. Found in Argentina, this is the smallest species of armadillo, growing only about 4 inches long, small enough to fit in your hand. But what makes it truly special? It's a burrowing master. This little guy can disappear underground in seconds, using its spade-like claws to tunnel through the sand like a tiny mole. It's so rare that scientists still know very little about its behavior in the wild, making it one of the most mysterious creatures on Earth. A tiny armored tank built for stealth, now that's next-level evolution. At number 8, we have the glass frog. This tiny amphibian has one of the most bizarre superpowers in nature. It's see-through. With skin so transparent, you can literally see its heart beating, its stomach, and even its intestines. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, the glass frog relies on its near invisibility to blend perfectly with leaves, making it nearly impossible for predators to spot. But here's where it gets even crazier. Some species can control their transparency, becoming even more see-through while they sleep. A living X-ray machine perfectly designed for survival. Now that's something you don't see every day, or maybe you do, and just don't realize it. At number 7, we have the lowland streak tenrec. This little creature might look like a mix between a hedgehog and a bumblebee, but it has a trick up its sleeve that no other mammal can do. Instead of making sounds with its mouth, the tenrec rubs its quills together to produce a strange, high-pitched noise, just like crickets do. This rare ability, called stridulation, helps them communicate in the dense forests of Madagascar. And if that wasn't weird enough, those sharp quills aren't just for show. They can be used as weapons to fend off predators. Cute but deadly, the lowland streak tenrec is proof that nature always has a few surprises up its sleeve. At number 6, we have the saiga antelope. With its floppy, oversized nose, this antelope might look like an alien, but it's perfectly adapted to survive in the harshest environments. Found in the steppes of Central Asia, the saiga uses its unique nose to filter out dust and regulate its body temperature, especially during the scorching heat and freezing cold. It's so specialized that its nose works like an air conditioning system, cooling the animal down during the summer and warming it up in the winter. Sadly, the saiga is critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss, but when you see its bizarre face, you'll understand why it's one of nature's most remarkable creations. At number 5, we have the blue dragon, also known as the Glaucus atlanticus. This tiny sea creature may look like something out of a deep-sea fantasy, but it's actually a powerhouse of the ocean. The blue dragon is a type of sea slug, and it has a secret weapon. It eats venomous jellyfish, like the Portuguese man-o'-war, and stores their toxins in its own body, making it just as dangerous to predators. It's like the ocean's very own supervillain. Despite its beauty, the blue dragon is anything but innocent. Its ability to store and deliver venomous stings makes it one of the most deadly yet mesmerizing creatures beneath the waves. At number 4, we have the mantis shrimp. This small but mighty creature has one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. It can strike with the force of a bullet. The mantis shrimp's punch is so fast, it actually creates a shockwave that can shatter glass and stun prey in an instant. And if that wasn't enough, its punch is also superheated, reaching temperatures close to that of the sun. But it's not just its strength that's impressive. Its eyes are among the most complex in the animal world, able to see 16 different types of color receptors compared to our mere 3. This makes the mantis shrimp not only one of the fastest creatures underwater, but also one of the most visionary. Before we get to number 3, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beyond Beams, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our wild top 10 lists. Now let's dive back in. At number 3, we have the Japanese spider crab. With a leg span of up to 12 feet, this colossal crab looks like something out of a nightmare, but it's actually a gentle giant of the ocean. Found in the deep waters off Japan, the Japanese spider crab is the largest crab species in the world, and it can live for over 100 years. Despite its terrifying appearance, it spends most of its time scavenging for food on the seafloor and is rarely a threat to humans. But don't be fooled by its size. This crab is a true ocean titan, a creature so massive and ancient it feels like a living relic from another time. At number 2, we have the shoebill stork. With its eerie, dinosaur-like appearance, this bird will send shivers down your spine. Standing over 4 feet tall, the shoebill has a bill that looks like something straight out of a horror movie. Wide, powerful, and absolutely menacing. Found in the swamps of East Africa, the shoebill is a fierce predator, hunting fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. When it's ready to strike, it waits perfectly still, then suddenly snaps its bill shut with incredible force. And that stare, let's just say it could probably paralyze you with fear. This is one bird you definitely don't want to mess with. And finally, at number 1, we have the satanic leaf-tailed gecko. This creature is so well camouflaged, it could be standing right in front of you and you'd never know it. Found deep in the forests of Madagascar, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko has a tail that looks exactly like a dead leaf, blending in perfectly with its surroundings. But not just its appearance that's incredible, its ability to stay completely still, nearly invisible to predators, is unmatched in the animal kingdom. When it feels threatened, it freezes, hiding in plain sight until the danger passes. This master of disguise is one of nature's most secretive and enigmatic creatures. A true ghost in the forest, the satanic leaf-tailed gecko is the ultimate survivalist. And there you have it, 10 animals so bizarre, so unbelievable that they almost seem like they belong in a fantasy world. Nature never ceases to amaze us with its creativity and its ability to surprise. Which of these mind-blowing creatures shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved these jaw-dropping animals, don't forget to like, subscribe to Beyond Beams, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more mind-bending top 10s. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring the extraordinary with us. Until next time.